Private James Rowley was declared a miracle the day he fell in the trenches. A sniper's shot had struck his helmet, snapped his head back, and yet he lived. Medics found no exit wound, no bullet, only a deep graze and a concussion. They called it luck. He called it fate. Months passed in a London hospital. Headaches haunted him. Strange metallic tangs ghosted his tongue, and sometimes when he coughed, it rattled deep inside his skull. Doctors dismissed it as nerves, shell shock perhaps. One quiet morning during breakfast, it happened. James felt a sudden pressure behind his eyes, a burning tickle in his sinuses. He barely had time to grab a handkerchief before he sneezed, an explosive, violent sneeze that left him dizzy. Clink. On the white sheet lay a small, blood-streaked bullet, warped by impact. Nurses screamed. Doctors rushed in, speechless. The missing sniper round had been lodged behind his nasal cavity for months, waiting like a grim souvenir of the war until his body finally rejected it.
I suppose it finally missed.